RARA. Wagwan.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you know.
No, it's up. I heard the G.
How things in general?
Up, you know.
Let's pause the rhythm and everything. You know the thing going on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Blessings ever show, man. Can't stop.
What you been on?
Yeah, man. Just do the music.
I don't think they can actually hear you. You know, you have to.
Can't hear me. You can't hear me.
That's better. There we go.
Ah.
Yeah. How you been?
You know, schooling.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Just cooling.
Yeah,
I know you've been chilling. Hopefully you've been chilling in the studio.
You don't need to chill in that studio. So
Yeah.
try to get months up with other things.
Yeah.
Is it?
For who don't know who RARA is, can you introduce yourself, please?
Local. I mean in RARA. The
Yeah.
RARA to be precise. Is it, man?
So is that what you're running with, the RARA?
Yeah, man. Man.
Because I said it earlier and I felt like I was actually saying it wrong.
Nah, man. Man.
The RARA. So what, was it RARA before, or you changed it to the RARA?
Nah, man. Always the RARA, man.
Okay.
Always.
Always the RARA. So what's RARA about? What you about? Tell me.
Well, yeah, so them label me the female's favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, that way I try to run with and I work with that for now.
Yeah, the ladies,
See me?
man.
Yeah, man, I was too much for them the next side.
Okay.
But for now,
Yeah.
I'm the song for the ladies.
Yeah.
You see me, what them can relate to, what the dog them can relate to. And female them, isn't it?
So you would say most of your tracks that you create is for the ladies?
Yeah. Not
Yeah.
on purpose though, but
Yeah.
you see me how to say, go?
Okay.
Yeah, that.
But you got some other kind of general music in the studio?
Yeah. Always that.
Okay.
Always just a bit of music, you see me?
Yeah.
You don't know, when you go to the studio, you don't know what is it?
What's gonna happen?
From the rhythm start build,
Yeah.
they say it start, anything's possible.
So what actually influenced RARA to do music? Tell me. Let's go from the beginning, from back in school days. Yeah.
Yeah,
What school did you go to?
Yes, Oliver School, you know,
Yeah.
and stop move about from yard, England.
I'm talking from back.
From way
Yeah,
back.
from
First,
way back.
from school, from school days, we
Yeah.
up in a region named Shay, yeah?
Okay.
Me and him grow that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that youth there, RIP, dead now, is it?
Okay.
But them youth there, them man they forward on my yard early morning, every morning, before school, and me and him step. You see me?
Yeah.
And him just love music, African youth, you know.
Okay.
You see me? And him just a rap. You see me? So same time I say, yo, why you so sick fam? Like, you get me? And we are young youth and we don't know nothing about music, you know that.
Yeah.
You see me? We just love the vibes, and from there so, I asked him for the lyrics there.
Yeah.
The man give me the lyrics and I said, yeah, I hear the lyrics now, you see me?
Yeah.
So from that, we just start spit the lyrics of them.
Okay.
B ratings I get. You see me?
Yeah.
B ratings I get. So from that now I say, yo, that's B music, I love. My mother.
So was you performing like on like stage shows or little?
Nah, man, them they are young days, dog. Just
Young
I watch music. You see
Yeah,
me?
just
We used to
watch
build up
music.
rhythm on the PlayStation 1, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Them time there.
Okay.
You see me? So we are studying music from them time there.
So artist-wise in them days, them your artists that actually influence you. That was doing their thing and you say, yeah. Yeah, man.
From early days, we just listen to a variety of music, you see me? So it's
Okay.
like, with everyone, my mother saw it's like, we are listening to Kanye, Silk and them man there, you
Yeah,
see me?
man.
So it's like we hear a
Legendary.
different type of singing, you see me? And DJing, you see me? So we are listening to Mackle and Professor Nuts and them boy, you see me?
Okay.
So it's a different level.
Yeah.
So when you study them man, you know, you have to study everything that forward after them.
Yeah.
You see me?
I
So
feel
it's
like I can hear some reggae music coming from the RARA, so.
you never know. As I said, anything's possible, you see me?
Okay.
And music.
So who are you actually working with now? Are you on your own camp or you doing your own thing?
Right now we have built up a camp, you know. Well,
Okay.
we don't have a camp already, so it's solid in our street, isn't it?
Yeah.
Them know that's why we have like traction over have, isn't it?
Okay.
So yeah man, we start try to evolve it now, isn't it?
Relax, drop asleep in the G-Wagon. You never know Hennessy was a creeper. The little diva, you make me love. Restart, deal with the thing like it a shisha. She says she never do the thing in a believer.
This song, fly out and flying back and we just go in our studio and we just couldn't stop talking about this pina colada.
Okay.
Like, as me say pina colada, nice song and it sound good. You never hear nothing about it again when I start singing Versailles song.
Pina
You see me?
colada.
But I just that there on my mind.
Yeah.
You see me? And we just fall back from Spain at the time, you see me? And
Okay. Tropical vibe.
you see me? But you know what, 2014 we did have a pina colada, you know, and it did mad. That when we did that, Ochi.
Yeah.
You see, nice pina colada by the pool, hotel vibes, you see me? Mad. Spain, now go try it again. Never again. You see me? So
It
was like two same thing but two different experiences. You see me? So it's like, you know what? I have to think about this because I can't forget about this.
And I like that. I like when you actually say
like
about
to get
the
things off of
experiences.
my mind.
That's good.
Yeah.
And this beat, who made this beat?
SP Music, you see me? Big up Sparker.
Okay.
See, legend.
We're gonna drop this track. Let's go.
Watching that Field Marshal 24 and right now we tune to Sound DMIX for ONTOP Radio, Body Slam.
Big track right now, Drama. Let's talk about the drama.
Riga, say big up to you.
Big up Riga.
Man, Riga send a message there.
My general, they don't know anything from a long time. Yeah. So, Drama.
Yeah man, Drama now. Well, Riga resides in Switzerland, is he?
How did you meet Riga, bro? How did you meet Riga?
We got English Fire.
Yeah.
DJ English Fire at English Fire link me. I
Okay.
said, yo, send me that rhythm, yeah. And
Yeah.
he said, you like this rhythm? Me listen to the rhythm. Did you even shout him back?
Yeah.
Did you even shout him? The man have to shout me again and I said, yo, I have a song, you know.
Yeah,
I have a
ready.
song ready. You know?
Yeah.
So the man
But you was
said,
vibing something already?
yeah, as I've listened to the rhythm, I couldn't even
Okay.
never have time, you see me? It was connect, you see me? So from this so, him say he want to set up a flight, though.
Okay.
Fly go to Switzerland, so.
Yeah, so you went over there.
Yeah, we were supposed to go over there, but him never turn up.
Oh.
No, I can't see him, you see me? So it's like, him throwing a deep end, you see me?
Yeah.
End up fly by myself, end up meet a total stranger, you see me? At the time.
Where was he in? Is it Geneva?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see me? So it was just a new experience for me, you get me? Total different. So my mind was elsewhere, you get me?
Okay.
And yeah, from this link up, reason, you see, we connect and we say, alright, touch studio,
Yeah.
touch in our studio, flow like mad.
And what was Riga vibes like? What was he like working with Riga?
Riga know music, you see me?
Yeah.
Riga has been in the business for a long time, you see me? So it was easy to work with him because I've been doing this a long time as well.
Yeah.
You see me? So it's like I'm learning as I'm going, and Riga was the perfect guy at the time
Yeah.
to link up with, and you see me?
Yeah.
Give me the info I need.
And that's good, man. And when I saw that connection, man, I'm like, yes, my general, man, you be, man, doing things, man.
Yeah, man.
So, tell me about the track, Drama.
Drama. Well, Drama now.
Yeah.
Me did write, when I write piece of that song there, 2017.
Yeah.
And I just have it. You see it, and I got through a couple rhythm, try to fit it. Can't fit it. As I said,
Yeah.
as the rhythm forward,
Forward.
it just connect.
Okay.
You see me?
So
it's
what's
just,
the lyrics? Tell me about the lyrics.
it was like,
About this track.
it was just, when me talk about real life experiences, you see me?
Yeah.
We'll go through,
Okay.
the people in Rome go through,
Yeah.
because it's like, they feed me with info like it's live movie, you get me? So when they're talking to me about their life and thing, it's like, yo, what them life they are living, G, you see me? And I say, alright, cool. So, them man, they hot topic, you see me? The hot topic in our road, you see me? So, I have to sing about it and make the people know how we live.
Let's go.
Loco.
Right now you're tuning to the Body Station, ONTOP FM, and that's how DMIX representing.
I suppose. Follow me, no. You see that girl up on the corner, somebody tell us I'm a car.
RARA! What is the drama? How you mean?
I say, sometime life boring and if it add a little drama. Sometime life boring and if it add a little drama.
Yeah. Big remix. How did that remix come together? How did you link up Cranium? A big thing, man, brother. Big
I
move,
tell
man.
her that, you
Yeah.
never know. In the street, people I say, yo, what you doing, fam? You get me? And I say, yo, I don't even know, but I hit me up first.
Okay.
You see me? People hit me up before I you see me? So a couple people turned down with me. Never want to turn down, but
Okay.
I have to do what me feel right for the song, you see me?
Yeah.
And I forward, right energy, and voice it fast. So I say, rah, say what? Boom, from this up, him tweet out the song. You get me? When him tweet out the song now, Cranium see it and Cranium say, yo, don't put this out without a Cranium verse. You beats up and so just link him, man.
So how did you feel when you saw that, when Cranium said that? How did you feel in that?
Mad, like, what? Cranium?
Yeah.
When I listen all them years,
Yeah,
you see
man.
me? Is like, everything, daily things are happening. It's like, my life was just changing, you see me?
Okay.
From this, it's crazy, because I just hit up Cranium, and I'm not expecting him to reply as fast as, you see me? The man is like, you see me? So respect goes up to Cranium and Ali, you see me?
Yes, I.
Ciao.
Oh yeah,
Watching all the female Shashanti Force and right now in tune to sound DMIX on ONTOP body's real.
Say she want me for come say come over me yard no.
He's been doing some things in the studio during this Corona time. What you been doing during this Corona time?
Corona time.
Yeah. How you been keeping yourself busy? Like, as an artist, you know, you have to keep that buzz because there are a lot of people got like probably big expectation of you. Yeah. Even especially this Elegant song.
Yeah.
You reach a lot of young fan base. Mm-hmm. So like the kids them are ready. They're reaching out for you. They can't wait for your next tune.
Yeah, man.
So you know you have to keep that. You see me?
Yeah, man.
So
keep up the momentum, man.
how you been coping during the Corona time musically? What you been doing to keep yourself busy?
Literally just linking people, networking.
Yeah, so you've been doing a lot of networking.
Yeah, so that's been keeping me relevant.
Yeah.
In the underground.
Okay.
You see, but other than that, getting the songs them ready.
Yeah.
You see, so when the gas fire.
Yeah.
You see, people not gonna expect it, what it's gonna be like.
Yeah.
You see me? Unexpected.
Yeah. So that's the next question I was gonna ask is what's the plans for the RARA? What you got planned? What's next?
Right now, I want to release a song. October is a good month, so
yeah.
I have about 3 songs lined up.
What is it about October?
Like October.
Yeah.
There's some drop Pina Colada.
Okay.
You
yeah.
So yeah, use the powers again.
Just go with the energy CMA.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So is there anyone out there that you could see you working with right now?
Yeah, a few people still.
Like?
Few people. Couple unknown artists where you might not know.
Okay.
But they're working as well.
Yeah.
Couple Canadian artists.
Yeah.
You see me? So
yeah.
Take it across the borders them.
You know Nakis, innit?
Yeah, man. Nakis out now.
This guy needs to start dropping tunes.
Don't worry about it. I'm ready, man.
Yeah.
Ready.
Big artist.
That's a part of what I'm doing as well.
I like that.
Because
I speak to Randy, and Randy was saying one of the best artists he thinks in the UK is Nakis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100.
And I actually go, yeah, it's real
100%.
talk. Yeah, man. So shout out to Nakis out there doing his thing right now.
Soon see him, man.
Yeah.
New Year time.
Yeah. New Year time.
New Year.
That's good.
Knock them.
Knock them. How you mean, man, G? Could we see you on a track with Randy Valentine?
Long time.
Yeah.
A long time. My flow got you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And that's what I'm actually waiting for.
Soon kick off.
Soon kick off.
Soon kick off.
Yeah.
Link there, man.
Yeah.
Regard the whole thing there.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
You put link.
What do you think about this dancehall, this music industry right now? What do you think about it?
Right now, people are taking and supporting it. Like they're taking onto it a lot right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of hot. Like a lot of people are getting good views. They're getting a good stream. So I feel like it's in a better place than it was.
Yeah.
You see me? But I feel like we could drop more quality.
That's right. Yeah.
100% and work as a team more.
Yeah. Unity. I like that. Yeah.
So I just that alone.
Okay. So you like what's going on? You like the whole function? You like the whole flow and everything?
Yeah. Yeah. Fully. Cause people are taking onto it. Some people shy.
Okay.
But at this time and effort and quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quality is important.
Very.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So I'm gonna do my part.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
It stays. You get me? When I depend it.
Short-term thing.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
I drop a bag of tune and nobody now listen to them. I forget about them.
And that's very important.
You see me? We have to do something for the music and I will grow.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
Now what am I talking?
So do you think a lot of people out there is dropping a lot of short-term music?
Yeah, for the time music.
For the time.
What's relevant for cloud.
And you're about this legacy.
Yeah, man. If I start solid in this thing.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Because music changes a lot. You see me? The industry changes, so you have to know what you do. You have to take time out for where you want to do.
Okay.
Because if you're just going faster you go, you have no direction, is it?
Yeah. Once again, my general, thank you. For any final words?
Might move.
Might move. It's a good move. Bless up yourself, King Man.
Watching out the female session.